I was just tootling along and I forgot about telling you guys about anything. Sorry, I feel terrible. Not that big a deal though, this will be part of the day. I'm going to put this window in right here. This is the new completely closed in bathroom. I'm going to be grouting here pretty soon. But I'm cutting the house up again because I'm going to put a window in right here. Because this is sort of dark and dank in here. And we're going to try to brighten this corner up a little bit. And might hang a light up there. I just don't know yet. Just don't know. But anyway, let me finish this. You can tell I've already got daylight. And here you go. I'll let you in on a little bit of construction noises. Alright, here we go. I was mighty lucky here because there was a horizontal stud support up at the top, and I just barely nicked into it. So, okay. Well, we'll see how it goes. Nothing like a new blade on these suckers. Okay, what a terrible environment for a camera, huh? Anyway, gonna see a bunch of daylight here in a second. They say this thing's one-handed, and it's about true. It really is. Okay, you ready? What am I missing there? A little bit up high. A little attitude adjustment there. I think we can just bust that out. Ready? Yay! Nice view of the well. See that piece of wood right here? So that's pretty cool. So let's try to vacuum that out a little bit. That's sort of dangerous. I got to make some kind of frame, and I'm going to put some plexiglass there, and I'll tape it up. And I only got to make oh, that was just a flat backer to hold the closet supports in. Okay. Okay, well that's okay. Well, let's test fit it. You want to? My voice is gonna crack from all the gypsum dust in my throat. It almost just snaps in. Yep, did you hear that? So there you go. Gotta put that piece back in right there. There you go. Wow, what a difference, huh? Let's hold that right there. Oh boy, yeah, baby. So, bunch of work to be done in here. Let's take a look at it from outside. Well, that's about where I expected it to go. So, that's fine. Fine and dandy. Alright. Get to that with a little ladder too. That'll be great. I gotta take them things off. Gonna change the plan on how to do them. My belief is screws is better than the nail guns, but that takes longer, and I think you have to pre-drill. So, alright, that just really is cool. What are you doing out here, Batman? Alright. Well, this is about the easiest window I've ever put in. This will be a breeze. I'm loving it. We are sealed off once again, so that looks pretty good. I might just make it its own video. I didn't think it was going to be this complicated. So join the crowd, huh? Everybody thinks that. It's not that complicated. It's not that terrible. Let's put it right here. And now I can let's see, I guess I need to tell you my plan, don't I? That'd be a good idea. This Tyvek tape has become my new best friend. Boy, that stuff's great. I love it. So all the tape goes on the tape pile. I'll put it right back, right? Okay, now I can open the air conditioner vent back over here. I thought I saw a fly in here. So there you go. Hey, can hardly even tell it's there. So, my goodness. Okay. But it is there. Uh-oh. I saw a gnat. Did you see him? Dadgummit. There you go. Somebody knocked the glass out trying to get a gnat. That'd be funny. Well, I think I got him. I see a little smear mark right there. Okay. Can't stand them things. So I'm going to get silicone and lay a silicone bead all around the inside of this. And then we will worry about putting the wood in later. Because I got to grout this tile. Well, let's do that. Ooh, just in time. Did you see that? He's going to come in and sting me. But no, I beat him to the punch. It took a little longer than I thought, but that's okay. There you go. That's what it looks like. Boy, that really helped. I mean, a ton. So I'm hanging it backwards. So that means I can't open it. I didn't really want to open it anyway. I got them two windows right there I can open this window. So we need that for. So I trimmed it out nicely and found some wood down there and just kind of filled it in and caulked it up. It's just in there with clear silicone. I mean, you know, what difference it'll make. And I think I see something I could do. Maybe I can see that little bit of right there. Just get a little bit of clear silicone and just put over that. I won't tell if you won't. Okay. And I fix that little piece there. So, there we go. Boy, the house really shifted, didn't it? Look at all that crack there. Crack. Gave her 2 coats. Okay, so that's the end of that. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for spending time with me. It's a simple little project. And so out there's plexiglass and Pella tape and stuff like that. And I'll trim that out later. I'll trim that out when I trim out all the other windows and all that stuff. But it's time to grout in here now. So here, let's start on this. So now it's time to grout in here. It's been a couple, 3 days since I put it down, and nothing seems to have gone too terribly wrong. So let me go get the old wet sponge and bucket, and we'll put the grout on this. Ain't that big of a room, so I don't think it'll be that big of a problem. Put some masking tape down right there. You can tell where that piece of wood came from the finished pile, and I never did finish these. I'll fix this up later, but I took the door off because it needs to be painted. And the jambs need to be painted, so anyway, no, not exactly beautiful, but the door's heavy. It's a solid core door, dadgum heavy. So yeah, it's an interesting little place, if nothing else.